Welcome. Today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So first let's lock the device. I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll try to unlock the device just with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here just correct. We can unlock the device just in 1 second, so that is really good result. So just no problem to unlock the device. I just want to try one more method because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll try just to wear them and we'll see does this unlock method works. So as we can see, also just any problems to unlock the device so with the glasses. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.